Okay, you guys, Merry Christmas. So we are going to do a Stanley cup, and this one is a gift for Christmas, and this is for my godchild. She's recently into the cup thing, and she's into all these things, and she really wanted one. And I think she asked for one for Santa. So she is my godchild, so I decided to go ahead and get her one. I ordered the rose one. I think that's the color that it's called. It's called Rose. And right here. And this is the 40 ounce. So it's pretty big. So this is everything like that it says. I thought it was cute. Isn't that adorable? So it's in the color like a light pink, but it's called Rose. This is the top of it. Look at it, has it right there. The back of it. And this has to grip your thumb. So it has the grip thing. And then it has the straw. Isn't this adorable? So now I'm going to go ahead and I don't know if I should take this off or not. I think I should. I'm going to keep it just in case she wants it. But I don't think she's going to want it. And in the inside is just the instructions. Because you want the instructions. But it's an adorable pink. So I'm just going to open it up. Put that to the side. It has the instructions, which I'm going to leave in here. You guys, can you see that? All those things. I'm going to go ahead and leave it in there. Now, I picked up this tissue. And this tissue is so pretty. I'm done. Why not use this one? And it says Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Look at the color. And it has that beautiful old school green and the red that I love, the traditional colors. So this is a whole sheet. All we're going to do is we're going to fold it in half. And we're going to tuck it in here. That's it. Just like that, you guys. Fold it in half and then tuck it in. Let me get a little closer. And that's it. That's all you're going to do. Now, the first thing I am adding, I'm going to add some of these yummy chocolates. I really love this one. And I really like this box because look at it. It has the little bow on it. I'm like, this is so Christmassy. Look how cool that is. So we're going to add this in here. Perfect. I'm going to add a Hershey's candy cane. How cute is that? It's already coming out adorable, you guys. Let me see if I can make it a little taller. I want you guys to see the whole thing. So I'm going to add the candy cane. I'm going to add, of course, a hand sanitizer from the Dollar Tree. And I love this one. This is the sugar cookie scented. How freaking cute is that? I'm going to add a personalized gift card holder that I made. How pretty are these colors? I thought they would go back great with the traditional colors. I'm going to add a Roblox gift card because that's what she's into right now, Roblox. So I said, yes, of course I'm going to add one here. How cute is that? I'm going to add one more thing. Or maybe I don't have room for one more thing. Let's see if I do have room for it. If I have room for it, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add it. I'm going to add the hand sanitizer. And this is for the kids since she's still a kid. How cute is this? This is from the Dollar Tree, you guys. It has the little keychain. This says Sweet Pea. And this is just a hand sanitizer. So they can hang it on their school bags. I like these. Especially since she's a little kid, you know. She's not real little, but, you know. I think this is going to be so cute for her. If I could get it to fit in. I think that's going to be a no. But that's okay. If it doesn't fit, I'm not going to make it fit. You know how I feel about those things. If it doesn't fit, I'm not going to make it fit. So I'm going to go ahead and add one more thing, you guys. I think it is so adorable the way it's looking. I love it. I love it. If you want to add a little more of this, inside, you can. You don't have to though, only if you want to. You can let this hang. I think I'm gonna add it in a little more. What do you guys think? Should I add it in a little more or leave it like that? Okay. So for this, I thought, how cute that they sell little toppers. You guys, how cute are these little Christmas toppers? So we're gonna add the Christmas topper. Wait, let me see if I could take off the tag. Let me grab some scissors. I don't want to ruin it, but I want to take the tag off. Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared to cut it. Okay, so I was able to take it out. I'm just going to add the little topper here. I think that's going to be the cutest thing right there. How cute is that? I'm going to add this right back in the cup. If it allows me, of course. How cute is this, you guys? So there you go. How cute is this? It is, she's gonna love it. It is the cutest little cup. You know, that Stanley cup that they all want. I could go ahead and play with this anyways. It's going to be, it has chocolates. It has a little hand sanitizer. It has her favorite gift card. I added the little topper, which is so cute. The toppers were just $1. The candy cane was also $1. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to fix this. I kind of think it might be too much. I can tape this down if I want to. I think I'm going to do that. What do you guys think? Should I just leave it or tape it? I think I'm going to leave it. And last but not least, I want to make it a little Christmassy. So I wanted to add a bow. So I'm going to add the bow. I think a thicker ribbon would have been perfect for this. But I think I'm going to add the bow right there. What do you guys think? I'm going to show up with this and she's going to die. My sister told me that she wanted this cup. So you know I had to get it for her. How cute is that? So I'm going to show up with my little cup. I'm going to say Merry Christmas to my godchild. And hopefully she loves it, you guys. Simple gift. You can give it to a teacher. You can give it to a co-worker. You can give it to your sister. It has some chocolate, a hand sanitizer, a gift card. And the cup is really worth it. There you go. And all I added was a little thing. And we're ready. Merry Christmas, you guys. Make sure you guys enter my giveaway if you haven't. And until next time, bye, you guys.